Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's finish up by combining all the ingredients and making sure every bite is delicious. Cooking methods. Stovetop. Bring to a boil, then simmer covered on low for 15 minutes, white, or 40 minutes, brown. Let it steam off heat for 10 minutes before fluffing. Rice cooker. Foolproof. Just add rinsed rice and water, then press start. Stirring rice while it cooks breaks grains and releases starch. Leave it untouched until done. Popular steak rice recipes to try. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get cooking. These steak rice recipes turn simple ingredients into meals you'll want on repeat. Each brings its own twist, whether it's the richness of garlic butter or the kick of Korean spices. Garlic butter steak rice bowl. This bowl is all about simplicity with big flavor. Tender steak meets buttery rice for a dish that feels indulgent but comes together fast. Ingredients: ribeye steak, about 1 inch thick, cooked white rice, short or medium grain, butter, or garlic cloves, minced olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Optional, fried egg on top. Instructions: cook the rice. Prepare rice according to package instructions. Keep warm. Season the steak. Pat the steak dry and season liberally with salt and pepper. Sear the steak. Heat olive oil in a cast iron skillet over high heat. Once smoking, add the steak. Cook 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare. Transfer to a plate and let rest. Make garlic butter. Reduce heat to medium. Melt butter in the same pan. Add minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant, don't let it burn. Combine. Slice the steak against the grain. Toss the warm rice with the remaining butter. Top with steak slices and drizzle the pan garlic butter over everything. Garnish with parsley. Pro tip: add lemon zest to the garlic butter for brightness, or toss in mushrooms while sautéing the garlic. Spicy Korean steak rice. Gochujang, Korean chili paste, gives this dish its deep heat, balanced by sweet, savory marinade and crisp veggies. It's like bibimbap's bold cousin. Ingredients: flank steak, thinly sliced against the grain, cooked short grain rice, gochujang, soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic cloves, minced grated ginger, julienne carrot, spinach, blanched vegetable oil. Toppings: fried egg, sesame seeds, sliced green onion. Instructions: marinate the steak. Mix gochujang, soy sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and ginger in a bowl. Add sliced steak and toss to coat. Let sit 20 minutes, or up to 2 hours. Cook the steak. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over high heat. Add the steak in a single layer, work in batches if needed. Sear 1 to 2 minutes per side until caramelized. Remove from heat. Prepare vegetables. Sauté carrots for 2 minutes until just tender. Squeeze excess water from blanched spinach and season with a pinch of salt. Assemble bowls. Divide rice into bowls. Top with steak, carrots, and spinach. Add a fried egg if desired, and sprinkle with sesame seeds and green onions. Serving idea: drizzle extra gochujang mixed with a bit of honey for more heat and sweetness. These recipes prove steak rice is anything but boring. Whether you're in the mood for comfort or spice, there's a bowl here to match. Serving and pairing steak rice. A great steak rice dish deserves the right sides and drinks to elevate the meal. The right pairing can balance flavors, add texture, or simply make the whole experience more satisfying. Whether you want something fresh and crisp or rich and comforting, here's how to build the perfect spread. Side dishes for steak rice. A well-chosen side can turn steak rice into a complete meal. These options add variety without stealing the spotlight. Pickled vegetables. Tangy, crunchy pickles like radish, cucumber, or kimchi cut through the richness of steak. Quick pickled red onions work too. Miso soup. Warm and savory, it complements Japanese-style steak rice, especially gyudon. Steamed or sautéed greens. Bok choy, spinach, or green beans add color and freshness. Drizzle with sesame oil or garlic butter. Roasted mushrooms. Earthy flavors pair well with beef. Try shiitake or cremini with soy glaze. Crisp salads. A simple mix of lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and light vinaigrette refreshes the palate. For heartier meals, add garlic bread or cheesy corn. Lighter options like seaweed salad keep things fresh. Beverage pairings. Drinks can enhance the flavors of steak rice, whether you prefer something cold, warm, or fizzy. Red wine. A medium-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon or Malbec matches the richness of seared steak. Lighter Pinot Noir works with soy-based dishes. Iced tea. Unsweetened or lightly sweetened balances spicy or savory bowls. Try jasmine tea with Asian-inspired recipes. Beer. A crisp lager or hoppy IPA cuts through fatty cuts like ribeye. Darker stouts pair well with smoky flavors. Japanese sake or soju. These clean, slightly sweet options enhance umami-heavy dishes like gyudon. Sparkling water with citrus. A squeeze of lime or lemon adds brightness, especially with heavier meals. For non-alcoholic options, try ginger ale or a fruity iced tea blend. The goal is contrast, something refreshing against rich steak, or something rich to match bold flavors. Think about your dish's dominant flavors. Spicy Korean steak rice loves sweet iced tea, while garlic butter bowls shine with dry wine. Experiment to find your favorite combo. Steak rice is more than just a meal. It's a versatile, satisfying dish that adapts to any craving, whether you want something quick and comforting or bold and spicy. With the right cut of steak, well-cooked rice, and a balance of flavors, you can turn simple ingredients into a standout dish every time. Don't stop at these recipes. Try your own twists, swap sauces, experiment with toppings, or mix up the spices. The best part of steak rice is how easily it bends to your taste. Made a killer version? Share it with us in the comments or tag us on social. We'd love to see what you create. Happy cooking in your next video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.